Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Eccles. This is Best Cars and Trucks. Now, I did the video earlier talking about the new electric GMC Noe, but the the new 2025 GMC Noe, the electric, is not gonna have the Apple Music. It is not gonna support the Apple. Well, it's not gonna support Apple or Inwood because GMC is gonna make their own thing for the truck. But now, I gonna buy the GMC truck. Cause I'm not worried about the Apple Music or the Apple CarPlay. Cause I don't got a phone. But I will take the range in the big battery. Yes, but the little battery's coming. But I like the big battery more. So, comment, subscribe, and stay happy. And happy trucking.